Hi everyone, I'm a hairstylist in Connecticut and I specialize in extensions, and I'm about to walk you through a 22-inch hand-tied weft install on my gorgeous client, Valeria. It's always important to have clean sections, so I'm creating a U-shaped section for the extensions. I then check to make sure the wefts will be even before I begin the beaded row. I place each weft one by one, securing them with a hairpin in between every bead. It's time to begin sewing, and I make sure I do this very neatly so that everything is secure and very comfortable for the client. Always begin sewing about an inch to the left of the end of the extension. That way you can go back over your stitches and really lock that in. Once the end on the right is locked, I go back all the way to the left of the head and continue these stitches throughout. For this install, we used colors 1862B and Ash Platinum Blonde combined. The color really couldn't be a better match. Now it's time to blend the extensions. Once the cut is complete, I show my client the back of her hair straight because if it's a good application, it'll look good any way you style it. We chose to curl her hair to complete this look, so I'm using an 1.25 inch long barrel curling iron. I'm so excited and obsessed with how this came out, and so is she, as you can see that beautiful smile. If you've been wanting fullness, length, or both, let this be your sign that you can have it all. If you've watched along this far, thank you so much. Please comment, like, and share this post for more.